Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this beautiful wig. This is the Butter Lace Unit 3. And she's pretty natural. Well, not the color. I want to get into it later. But this is the card. Like what lace, you know? And on the box, it says HD lace. Undetectable, that's butter lace. Boom, boom, boom. And on the card here are the colors. I guess some really pretty colors that come with it. But I want to be extra and get this color, which I like it, but I'm still very iffy on it. I don't know if I like it. I don't know yet. I'm feeling it, but at the same time I'm like, I'm not really sure yet. I'm not really sure. Oh, what they got in the card too. Talking about their lace, they have baby hairs that come with it. Kind of couldn't find them, but I kind of had sprayed them back also, so that's the reason why I couldn't find them. Ear to ear, I did have to bring mine down pretty far to make sure it matched my ear. Buckle baby hairs, natural hair, hairline density, blends with my skin tone, definitely blends with mine. Anyway, get into the color. Oh, I'm gonna show you how long it is. She's going on 28 inches. Like if I put her straight down, she's actually past my butt. So this is about 30 inches actually. So with the color, I don't know if I like it. She's not shiny or anything. Like I can tell it's a synthetic wig, but I'm just not sure on how it lays. Like it's pretty from here, but like let me put all of her to the back. Like y'all kind of see. Y'all can kind of see it. Like I should just got black, but I want to be extra because I'm always extra for no reason. And I got blonde. But I can dye it for some fact it is blonde with some rye dye. I think that's what it's called. So I may end up doing that dyeing it like a brown color because I don't want black. So that's honestly what I may do. I'm not quite sure yet. But I don't think I'm feeling it how I want to, unfortunately. But the lace is really good. The wig is really good. I say this wig is big head friendly, but I'm kind of hard to judge. I mean, it kind of is big head friendly because I do have my braids are kind of in a ponytail, and it was kind of hard to put on, but I got it on. But I do have the adjustable straps on, like kind of tight, so that could be it also. But I think it's pretty big head friendly. Shedding and tangling, I'm not running my fingers through it. Not gonna lie. But I'm pretty sure it does tangle. I just don't want to mess up the curl, so that's why I'm not putting my fingers through it. But as I'm softly doing it, it's not tangling though. But I did get some shedding, but it wasn't a lot. Never mind, take that back because I didn't know it was still shedding. Yeah, but y'all can't see it. So that was this one shed. 2 got the same on here. Okay, so yeah, she's a shedder. She's a shedder for sure. She's a shedder. So I think that's it for this review part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, comment down below and ask me. Bye guys. Stop.
tell me.